In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code OneDrive folders. This is a great way to organize your files visually and make it easier to find what you need at a glance. So, let's dive right in. To begin, open your Windows File Explorer and make sure you're signed into your OneDrive account. Once you have your OneDrive folder open, look at the list of folders displayed. You might notice they all look pretty similar. They're probably all shaded in the default settings of blue, which can be a little daunting when you're trying to locate files quickly. To change this, we're going to use a third-party tool, because Windows doesn't natively support color coding of folders within OneDrive. There are several tools available for this customization, but let's focus on one popular option known as Folder Marker. Go ahead and download Folder Marker from its official website, ensuring you choose the version compatible with your operating system. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen prompts. It's a fairly straightforward process, but if you need extra guidance, the Folder Marker website offers detailed instructions. With Folder Marker installed on your computer, open it up. You'll be greeted with a user-friendly interface. Now, head back to your File Explorer and right-click on a folder within your OneDrive. In the context menu that pops up, you should notice a new option labeled Mark Folder. Hover over this, and a secondary menu will appear, showcasing a selection of colors and icons. Here's where the fun begins. Select a color that you want to assign to your folder. For instance, if this folder contains personal files, you might want to distinguish it with a warm color like red or orange. For work-related documents, perhaps a more professional blue or green might suit your needs. Select your color, and you'll notice that your folder now stands out among the others. This visual distinction can make it much easier to find when you're browsing through your OneDrive. Remember, organizing with colors isn't just about making your drive visually appealing. It's about creating an efficient workflow that allows you to access your files with minimum effort and maximum speed. This can be particularly useful if you have numerous folders, or if you're managing files for both work and personal use on the same OneDrive account. If you ever make a mistake or want to change the color again, simply right-click on the folder, go back to Mark Folder, and pick a new color. It's as simple as that. You can also utilize icons if colors aren't entirely intuitive for you. The goal here is to create a system that works best for you and your specific organizational needs. So, give it a try, and observe how much more enjoyable and efficient it becomes to navigate your OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.